All right, Mr. Wagner here in C7. So I'm not really here to record me. I'm here to show what happened in class today, 1029. For anybody that was absent, it looks like a vortex. All right. So what I'm really trying to show is we've discussed the homework for this week. It's the short week, if you will. We had a slideshow on Trump and Article 2 of the Constitution. Everything is on Google Classroom for that, and it was due on 10/29. It sounds like a couple of people have it done, just forgot to hand it in. Please hand it in on Google Classroom. We start an essay tomorrow on Tuesday the 30th that serves as the Constitution test. It basically answers the question, how did the Constitution guard against tyranny? And we started discussing how we've gone through all those before. When we talked about Article 1, we did a choice board, and we also did a Venn diagram comparing and contrasting the Senate and House of Reps. Article 2 was the Trump-related slideshow, which helped us use what we know about Article 2 of the Constitution. And then Article 3 is what we're doing on 10/29. It's actually our objective. We're going to look at what the Supreme Court does by looking at some interesting cases, including TLO versus New Jersey and 3 other court cases. That's the one you should start out with, those, TLO versus New Jersey, and show how things get to the Supreme Court and why they get there, and how the Supreme Court helps the other courts kind of check what's going on and make sure the laws are legit. Students usually like this TLO case, and I usually introduce with Ingraham versus Wright. They like that one as well. They're both school-related cases that actually went to the Supreme Court, and the students usually enjoy that. We'll do that today, and then students have learned about all 3 articles. In addition, the Bill of Rights was what we talked about before that. We had notes, and we also did a bracket to rate the most important amendment. So that's what the material that we covered to be able to do the essay that starts on Tuesday and is due, obviously, by November 5th. So it says it right here. We wrote this down in our planners, hopefully, due by 11/5 at 11:59 p.m. So that's it. The notes for the 7 principles of the Constitution is a file that you can request. If you were absent, you can request. Took notes, basic notes on the 7 principles of the Constitution, because it kind of shows some things you can mention in your essay. And then we will obviously pre-write a little bit together before we start the essay on Tuesday. That's it. And this video hopefully helped the students, and it can also be used to help me when I do a workshop on Classroom and YouTube. All right.